I made a pocket-sized light show from scratch. Let's see how I did it. First, I designed the circuit. The microcontroller sends data to the red, green, and blue control registers, which then light up all the LEDs. Next, I designed the PCB. After laying out the components and drawing the traces, I send the design off to be manufactured. In the meantime, I write the code. It coordinates with the control registers to turn the LEDs on and off 60 times a second. Now that I have everything I need, it's time to build it. If you paid attention, maybe one day you'll be able to say,